How to sign into your Google account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can sign into your Google account. For this, you can open up any web browser, then head over to google.com. Now, you will find a sign in button at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on this blue button. Now, from here, you will be able to sign into your Google account. For this, enter either your email or phone number. In case you have forgotten your email, click on the Forgot Email option below. Now, once you have entered either your phone number or email address, click on the Next option. On the next page, you want to enter your password, so go ahead and do that. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password option in order to reset that. Once you have reset your password, enter it and then click on the Next option. As you can see, you have been successfully signed into your Google account. Now, it might ask you for recovery information. You can enter that if you want or click on the cancel option. And with this, you have been successfully signed into your Google account, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.